the same day that we didn't hear what we want to hear with that vehicle, we just went somewhere else to look on something else. It's the same kind of vehicle, but this one is 1 year younger and it has way more features. So Orlando is coming now to pick me up because he went to pick up the car a while ago, but apparently they need me to sign some documents too. So he's coming to get me, and then we're going to go out there together and do some stuff. So Zaire is here waiting on me. Hi. Hi. Let's just work with that. We're happy. Happy Friday, guys. So I'm embracing my fro. Mr. Powell is right there. Mr. Powell Jr. is around there. He's not really a junior, but yeah. So we are headed to Gatineau. Headed to Gatineau.
Heading.
Well, you can't say headed to. We're headed.
All right.
I'll check afterwards. But yeah, we're heading
That was a change.
to Gatineau because I don't want to use it and then realize I'm actually wrong. But I think you can say we're headed. But yeah, we're heading to Gatineau. The camera just do this to me for every time and just make it just look like, jeez, man, it just looks shrink up. And you know, I prefer the camera up on the Pixel 3 XL more. I left it, I write it as an F. How bizarre. That's well, okay. Oh, I guess it probably will take you downtown first.
Forget over the bridge.
Yeah, so we're headed to Gatineau. Hi, Zai. Hi. Yeah, so just an evening drive. We're headed there to do some business, but
Not disclosed, eh?
do all of the sunflower gun.
It seems so, you know, I'm not seeing nothing over there.
But Jesus, the people that mash up the sunflower crap.
Like the Saturday when it did drop was the one we did left.
Wow.
Cause from then time I'm not seeing nobody again.
I really wanted to go. Yeah, so we're headed there for business, but you know.
Oh, I need to talk standard English.
No, not necessarily. You know, you just try to keep the thing
They say,
plain so at
plain,
least
so
everybody can understand. Yeah, you know? I'm probably not understand that, but yeah, so yeah, we're just headed there to do some business and then most of the evening carry.
You said the montage now.
I don't know what that was. So it's almost midday. It's about 11:43. So I'm going to get an Uber to go and get Zaire. I've been counting down the time. I really miss him, you know, because he would be here causing chaos. But it's time to go. So, as I said, I'll take you guys with me and I'll be walking back. That's my cardio for the day. Hey guys, so I just picked up Zaire from daycare. We're walking back home. As I said, I take this as my little cardio to just get some exercise in. He's not crying today as he was yesterday to go home. And they said he ate some of the food, which is good, Hi Zaire. How was school? Hi. Hi guys. So we are at IKEA. We're here to get a few things, but
Hi guys.
you look white.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Food number teeth?
Yeah.
You're not snap guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so Zaire's asleep, so we're just gonna eat some Tim's and we're waiting. But give Zaire a little bit more sleep because the line over IKEA
Is not.
make a show. But yeah, we're here. We're going to build a little YouTube corner soon. I won't say today because I won't lie.
And I
But we're going to get
hit the subscribe and like button for notifications. Right here.
You do right this over true? Alright. I don't really I don't know. But yeah. I'm sorry, I was just joking.
After me add to your editing.
No, yeah. I'm just a joke though, but yeah, for real though, like we're waiting. I bet Zaire wants to sleep while the line looks so cause see you guys in a few. Hi guys, so we just
Hi guys.
finished IKEA probably 2 hours later.
Yeah.
Cause I took 5.
Exactly.
The line for going inside.
Wasn't bad. It was long.
It wasn't that
but
bad.
It didn't take you that long for reaching.
But we were inside quite a long while. So I guess I will walk around for so long then. But Zaire they kinda miserable, so at one point we kinda decide for just
You just say kinda? At one point we really decided our minds about go back home.
yeah. Cause it was becoming a very annoying experience. Trying to get what we want. But we're done. We're going to go to Walmart to get a few other cute
Items.
fixtures to add to the whole thing. It should be good though. It should be good. So
Barbara, call me.
later. Those two. So now we're in the dollar store because I'm trying to get some other stuff that might be cheaper here. Everything's cheaper in the dollar store. Where do them sponges? Where do them sponges? Where do them sponges? Have you care?
Yeah.
Oh. Squeeze. Good job. You don't know if it won't? Liquid slide on. Yeah, you can take up one. Yeah, kaya take up yun na need. Zaire, toy that in a man. Lint roller. Hi. Hello. Hey guys, so I think we're done shopping now. I hope when we're in the dollar store. Hi Zaire. Hi. Hi baby. But yeah, as for now, I really love everything that I bought. I really do. Is that Orlando? Yes, it is. I don't know why my rental like somebody running on my car rental.
I'm a bad man, you know, say bad man if you always have run. You don't know that. Eh? They get some alcohol there.
Oh shit, yeah, them use battery for choose. The battery part in
You
there.
know, me see it, man.
Whenever it's no.
They get little alcohol now, miss.
That rope every part of your hand?
Spray it on my eye.
I'm blind here.
Tell you this. They sure say Stevie Wonder still get put. Ah! Yeah? Now Stevie Wonder again.
Mouth. Go to mouth college.
Angry I go to you?
Yes, it is. And that bomb lighting though. Alright, I don't know.
But we need to go
My lip
over
dry. Meat.
Costco for meat. We go for Costco meat or we go for different meat? We can go for different meat now and Costco meat later. Kind of like say we cook Costco meat right now.
Yeah, we can get the other meat.
Because we definitely want either goat or oxtail. My chest is flat, but it's hypothetically high. So yeah, give me some of that now. Some of that now.
You can't wait. PG-13.
Oh, sorry.